Hello, my friend. Today we are going to learn about ma'altat or ma'altat. We are going to learn about ma'altat or days. Ma'altat or days in English. Ma'altat. Ma'altat. Ma'altat, yes. Ma'altat. Let's begin. Senui. Senui. Senui is Monday. Selus. Selus is Tuesday. Robu. Robu is Wednesday. Hamus. Hamus is Thursday. Arbi. Arbi is Friday. Arbi. Qedam. Qedam is Saturday. Senbet. Senbet. Senbet is Sunday. I give you some sticker for that. And we are going to learn some few vocabularies related to days. Ma'alti means day. Ma'altat. Ma'altat. Ma'altat تيلنا دما days. Ma'altat. علت. Alat is date. Alatat is dates. Qedame Sambat. If we say Qedame Sambat, that means weekend. Let me do it hyphenated, this one. This is hyphenated. Qedame Sambat. Qedame Sambat. Qedame Sambat. This is Qedame Sambat. Qedame Sambat means weekend. Qedame Sambat. The same thing, this one is hyphenated. And let's read together. This is Sonio Solus. Sonio Solus. Weekday malati. Sonio Solus. Sonio Solus. Sonio Solus. Qedame Sambat. Qedame Sambat is weekend. Qedame Sambat. Sonio Solus is week. And Somun is week. Somun is week. And Somunat is plural of Somun is Somunat. Semunat. Semunat. Somunat. ክልተ ሰሙናት ሰለስተ ሰሙናት አርባዕተ ሰሙናት ሓሙሽተ ሰሙናት weeks. Somunat. Let's revise them now. What did I say? Ma'altat. Ma'altat means days. Ma'altat. Senui. Monday. Selus. Tuesday. Robu. Wednesday. Hamus. Thursday. Arbi. Friday. Qedam. Saturday. Senbet. Sunday. And the vocabularies. Ma'alti. Day. A day. Ma'altat. Days. Alat. Date. Alatat. Dates. Qedame Sanbat. Weekend. Sonio Solus. Senio Solus. Weekday. Somun. Week is 7 days. Yes. شوعته معلتات بالتقرينيا دما شوعته معلتات هنا بالحادة Somun. Semunat is weeks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with Tat'umu and Sasanai, my friend.